What's up everybody, this is KG. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Gooloo Jump Starter Power Bank. The model of this particular power bank is the 800 amp one, and it is meant to jump start your car in case your battery is low or dead. You can also use this to recharge your phone and your accessories using the USB input on here. And it also has a flashlight feature on it as well. Now if you're going to be using the car booster portion, it comes with this additional portion, this accessory. It has a positive and negative connection here, and this part here that plugs into the actual battery so that you can boost your car. Now this also comes with its own individual USB connection for charging. So to charge the power bank itself, you have to connect in here with this portion. It plugs into here, and with the USB part here, you can plug that into one of these USB chargers. For your car jumper cables, you have a part over here. This opens up and it plugs in over here. In the front you will see there's a power button here, so you can hold this down. This turns it on, and these indicators here show you the level of power. So right now it's on full. There's 4 bars in here. When all 4 bars are lit up, that means it's fully charged, and slowly it will come down 25% at a time. And then when it comes lower, then you can put it back in and recharge it. To turn on the flashlight, you hold down the power button and it turns on the flashlight. If you click it once, the power button, it becomes a flashing. You click it again, it becomes a slow flash. And then when you click it one more time, it turns off. Now this is my own charger for my phone, and I'm going to plug this into the USB connection over here on this side. So I plug that in over here, and I'm going to plug my phone in over here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do now is push the power button, and it should start charging this phone. So if you look closely over here, it shows it's charging. It's at 61%. The lightning showing it charging, and if you look at the bottom, it tells you fast charging and 49 minutes until full. So the good thing about this is you can take it with you on the road. If you're going on a camping trip or something like that, you can charge your accessories using this power bank. And in case your vehicle needs a boost, you can use it with this as well. Okay, now I'm quickly going to show you what it looks like to charge this actual power bank itself. So I'm going to connect the charging port over here, and the other end is a USB over here, and the USB I'm going to put it into one of my portable chargers over here that does not come with this package. I already own this separately. I'll plug it in over here and plug this into an outlet. So now that it's plugged in, you can see right now it is flashing on the 4th one. So that means it's almost fully charged like you saw earlier. And there's a little bit of charging left to do. And once I believe it fully charges, then it just shuts off, so you know it's fully charged. So that's pretty much how it works. If it's on a lower setting, it will flash on and off at the lower setting and slowly work its way up to that 4th bar and shut off afterwards. So the reason I originally bought this was because last year I wasn't using my car much, and then the battery started to go on it, and I didn't want to use another car or anybody else to boost my own car. And I have a 6-cylinder vehicle, and this easily turns a 6-cylinder vehicle on with this little battery pack. It's light, it's easy to take around with you. You can keep it in your car for emergency situations. It also comes with this cool carrying case in here, so I keep my whole package with my charger and my booster cables and all that stuff all in this little package. It also comes with this little guide booklet that tells you how to use it. So recently my dad's car battery started going a little bit wonky as well, and hasn't been working well, and I just pulled this back out, and that's what kind of made me want to do the review on it, because I found this very helpful in the last year for me, and I thought maybe somebody else might find this information useful. Now I already recorded myself boosting my dad's car, but on the video there's a little bit of an error that I do there, so I just want to point it out here before I go to that video footage. But basically when you plug the positive and negative charges in, you have this light system here. If you put it on backwards, there's a red light that comes on. If you put it on the right way, a green light comes on. And then there's a boost button right here. Now in the car demo, I try to push the boost button, but you only need to use that if the green light here is flashing on and off. That just means your car battery is really low. And in my case, my dad's car battery wasn't that low, so it just flashed solid green. So I didn't really need to push the boost button. I just needed to go start the car. But either way, once you see the solid green light over here, once it's hooked up to your car, you can just go turn it on and it should turn your car right on. So now let's see the demo of me turning the car on. Okay, so I'm in my car right now and the battery is pretty much dead, almost dead. I'm gonna try and turn it on just so you can see. As you can see, nothing's turning on. Just making a little noise and it won't turn on. So I'm gonna try to boost the car now. Okay, I got the hood up in front of the car and I'm ready to boost the car. I just want to show you the pieces in here that I'm going to be connected. So these are the two cables that go in. The red one here is a plus, and the black one here, this is a negative charge. So you got to hook this up to the negative, hook the red one up to the positive. After you hook these guys up, this is the part that's going to attach into the battery, and you can see up close here, it'll let you know if you've hooked it up reverse or correct. If there's any battery left in your car, it will light up. And if it's correct, you get a green light here. And then you want to push this boost button right here. And after you push the boost button, it'll give you about 30 seconds or so in which to go and try and start your car. And it should jump it and start it at that point. And of course, this is the battery right here. And this part here, this is where your cable goes in, your jumper. It says right here, your jumper cable. You can open this up, and this is where you're going to plug in your jumper cable. Okay, so let's hook these up and give it a shot and see if it jumps the car. Okay, so in my car, this is where my negative charge is right here. This is my negative, and I got to pull this thing off, and my positive charge is going to be behind this guy. So let me just pull it up, and off it comes. So here, this red color here, this is my positive charge, my negative charge. So let's hook it up the right way. Red onto positive. Black onto negative. Okay, they're both hooked up. And so this thing's making a beeping sound now, so it lets me know it's hooked up. I don't see any light coming on for correct or reverse, but it is beeping. So let me hook it up to the battery now. So here we go, I'm hooking it up to the battery now. And after you hook it up to the battery, then the green light comes on. It tells me it's correct. Okay? And then I'm going to push the boost button next. And then I'm going to go to the car and try to start it. Okay? So here it goes. Pushed it. Let's try it out. Nice, the car is hooked up. Let me take the batteries off now. And you can see the battery charge on here, still a full charge, and it started my car. So this baby is fantastic. It started my car no problem, and it's pretty simple. You hook it up, you hit the boost button, and it turns everything on. So here we go. So in conclusion, I think this is a great product for jumping your car in case your battery is low. Also for traveling, if you're going on trips somewhere, if you need to charge things and you don't have access to a direct outlet somewhere for a temporary amount of time, you could use this as an alternative method of charging. I like that it is very light and easy to carry around with you. It's very compact, and all this makes for a great product. I boosted my own car with this battery at least 10 times, and my father's car I've done it once, which is what you just saw on video. And it's worked each and every time. It's doing its job really well, and from my own experience in using it myself, I would definitely recommend this product. So I hope you enjoyed this review on the Gooloo Jump Starter Power Bank. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments for me, please leave them below in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. And remember to hit the bell button so you are notified each and every time I post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends. Take care, and we'll see you guys again next time. Peace out.